responded to the shooting of Stephen Meeks. Learned that a drug dealer called Eric was the shooter. Found out that Eric's real name may be Preston True.